Hi, this is John Tahan from webpros.ca, a digital marketing agency based in Montreal. Okay, just to tell you a little more about myself, I have been marketing online for roughly 20 years, pretty much at the same time as Google came out, roughly 21 years. I had started out by building websites under HTML, and then later on I started to learn a platform called WordPress. It's a CMS, a content management system. So I built hundreds of websites with that platform. I also did WordPress plugin development for real estate agents. I then learned about SEO, search engine optimization, so basically how to set up pages for search engines. So the on-page optimization, the off-page optimization, basically creating a lot of backlinks to rank websites on the first page of Google, so I did a lot of those as well. I then started to learn more about paid advertising, SEM, search engine marketing. I started with learning all about Google, the Google platform, Google Ads. It used to be called Google AdWords. So I learned everything that needed to be learned about that platform, and then I went in for my exams, and I finally got my certification, so I'm Google Ads certified, also for Google Analytics certified. I have been managing, creating, handling high budget campaigns. I also did a lot of affiliate marketing, promoting products of Amazon, ClickBank, digital products. I also worked with CRMs, customer relationship management system, to handle email marketing campaigns using ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft, HubSpot, and many others. I also have created hundreds of sales funnels, landing pages. So as you can see, I have been around the block more than once. My team and I have recently built an online marketing academy for teaching digital marketing. So it's a place for apprentice marketer, basically the newbies that want to come into the business of online marketing. They want to learn the trade, they want to build a business online. So basically it's a place where people can come in, join our membership, and basically go through a series of videos, tutorials, training videos that are explaining everything step by step, what you need to do, starting with the basics, you know, the cPanel, the hosting, how to upload a website, how to upload files, videos, how to build your first website, how to use WordPress, how to learn affiliate marketing, marketing products from Amazon, from ClickBank, all digital products, basically doing some Amazon FBA, learning social media marketing, learning Facebook ads, learning Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, and many more. The site is called onlinemarketingapprentice.com, and basically once you go there, you're going to see there's many options. You can even download free courses, e-courses, in PDF formats. You can buy and download your own personal course if you don't want to join a membership. But the third option is to join a membership to have access to hundreds of different video courses. Again, the site is called onlinemarketingapprentice.com. Thanks for watching.